This video shows how to install the kids' toilet seat with step ladder. Before beginning, please confirm all the necessary parts are included. First, check for the L and R markings on the pedals and pillars. These markings ensure proper alignment during assembly. Just make sure the L pillars go with the L pedals and the R pillars with the R pedals. Insert the pillars into the corresponding pedal holes, ensuring they fit snugly. Next, take the middle pedal and position it flat as shown. Insert it onto the supporting pillars until it connects securely. Now, connect the R pillars to the R pedals, and the L pillars to the L pedals. Once all components are aligned, insert the nuts from the inside of the pillars. Then attach the screws from the outside. Use the provided fastening tool to tighten securely. Place the toilet seat on top of the assembled pillars. Line up the toilet seat holes with the pillar holes. Insert screws from inside to outside, attach nuts from outside to inside, and tighten with the provided fastening tool. For the final step, attach the 6 black non-slip pads to the bottom of the step ladder. After all pads are secured, place the toilet seat on your toilet, ensuring it fits properly and remains stable. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the kids' toilet seat with step ladder.